The Sidchrome SCMT10183 is a 166-piece metric and imperial toolkit. Comes in a 6-drawer top chest and a 2-drawer service cart. The kit includes 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sockets in metric from 4mm all the way up to 32mm, and in imperial from 3/16 all the way up to 1¼ inch. Includes extension bars, ratchets, spark plug sockets and universal joints. All spanners and sockets are supplied in durable EVA foam inserts with a red underlay and easy to read size markings. The kit includes bimaterial screwdrivers in both Phillips and slotted, ball end hex keys in both metric and imperial, and combination long nose and side cutting pliers. The kit also includes metric and imperial ring and open end spanners from 6mm up to 19mm in metric, and in imperial from 1/4 inch up to 15/16. And finally includes an 8mm tape, ball peen hammer, 21-piece ratcheting screwdriver set, 250mm adjustable wrench and multi-grip plier. The Sidchrome SCMT10183 is a 166-piece metric and imperial toolkit available exclusively at Blackwoods.